Hurricanes usually form in the Atlantic Ocean from June through November. Storm damage and insurance recovery is something our team is prepared to handle every year. Making sure that residential and commercial property owners are able to recoup the greatest amount for their losses is paramount to our business. While many understand the importance of staying safe during a hurricane, hurricanes can come fast and furious with limited notice to prepare or evacuate. Over the years, United Public Adjusters has handled millions in property damage claims from hurricanes and tropical storms. Hurricane damage to homes and businesses can exceed hundreds of thousands of dollars in repairs and loss revenues. At United Public Adjusters, we have the experience needed to properly manage your insurance claim for the damages due to storm surge and heavy winds. When you are in the rain and in need of an umbrella, make United Public Adjusters your first call. We will stand right by your side and walk you through the insurance claim process. Call today and get in touch with a licensed public adjuster. We are your property insurance superheroes.